Look at the snow falling. It's so peaceful. And then you can see the snow plow in the background clearing the parking lot. Just goes back and forth, pushing all the snow off the road. This video is for my little friend in Africa, where the weather's always warm. I wanted him to see what it looks like when the snow is falling. Happy snow day.